In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life indicator on this BMW 535i xDrive. Let's get into it. I'll turn the key to the on position with the engine off. Then we're going to scroll over here on the side till we get to where it says the temperature and the time. This doesn't have the time. Then over on the odometer, just push and hold that button. Keep holding it until you see the car on the lift, then let go. And we're going to scroll through, keep pushing the odometer button until you get to the oil life. When we're on the oil life, push down and hold. And you can see the reset. Let off the button again. Now we're going to hold the button down until the mileage resets at the base. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.